In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to present your own logo with Steel Logo Mockup. If you want to provide your logo a still appearance, then this mockup is ideal. Let's start. I'm copying this logo, then go to Photoshop. Already I have opened the Steel Logo Mockup. Click on the smart object, remove the smart object, then paste your logo here, make it bigger, place in center, then save, then save again. This is the still appearance of your logo. So every time when you paste your own logo here, it will turn into this still appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this.